Welcome to our channel. If you want to set up Zelle on your Bank of America account for quick and easy money transfers, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Log into your Bank of America account through the mobile app or at bankofamerica.com. Step 2. Navigate to the Transfer or Send Money with Zelle section in your account menu. Step 3. If you haven't used Zelle before, you'll need to enroll by accepting the Zelle Terms of Service. Step 4. Enter your email address or US mobile phone number that you want to associate with Zelle for receiving payments. Step 5. Bank of America will send a verification code to your email or phone. Enter this code to confirm your enrollment. Step 6. Select the Bank of America account you want to link with Zelle for sending and receiving money. Step 7. Review your enrollment details and confirm that your information is correct. Step 8. Your Zelle account is now active and ready to use. To send money, enter the recipient's email or phone number and the amount. Step 9. To receive money, share your enrolled email address or phone number with the sender. Funds typically arrive within minutes when both parties are enrolled in Zelle. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.